Hi, I'm a product marketing manager at Samsara, and in this video, I'll be giving an overview of the ELD mandate. The ELD mandate is a U.S. regulation requiring operators of commercial motor vehicles to use electronic logging devices to track hours of service, or HOS. The mandate went into effect in 2017 to replace paper logs and outline procedures for data transfers, so it's easy to show compliance and share duty status records with safety officials. The ELD mandate rolled out in 2 phases, and as of December 2019, both phases are in effect. Now, data must be recorded directly from the vehicle's engine and automatically transmitted to the Department of Transportation, or DOT. All devices in commercial vehicles must be ELDs, and AOBRDs will no longer satisfy the mandate. Vehicles equipped with Samsara's ELD compliance solution are compliant across all phases of the ELD mandate. So, what exactly is an electronic logging device, or ELD? Electronic logging devices, also known as electronic logbooks or e-logs, connect to a vehicle's engine and automatically record driving time, providing a reliable, seamless, and tamper-proof way to track hours of service. ELDs have interfaces for drivers to set duty status, complete daily logs, and present e-logs during roadside inspections. ELDs must also be registered with and approved by the FMCSA. Another common question related to the ELD mandate is how does it affect hours of service rules? The ELD mandate does not change hours of service regulations. However, before the ELD mandate went into effect, drivers could use paper logs to track their hours of service. Now, all drivers subject to hours of service must use electronic logs. And a final question about ELD. Who must comply with the ELD mandate? Drivers who operate a commercial motor vehicle could be subject to the ELD rule. Commercial drivers who are required to maintain records of duty status must comply with the ELD mandate. To learn more about Samsara and how we can help your fleet stay compliant, click on the link or visit the link in the description of the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video.